Okay, this is the Turbo Metal Roof Supply, 1708 Church Road, Watsontown. It's actually just a few miles west of Turbotville off of Route 54. Is a folder. It bends the metal, folds the metal. Okay, I'm going to just give you a brief look at the turbo roofing operation. This is how long?
21 foot.
It's a 21-foot metal folder.
Bent corners, almost
Okay.
standard trims,
Okay, and over here
custom trims.
we take all these rolls of metal, the color, design that you like, and we run it through this machine. This happens to be a spool down here that's black in color. It goes through this
Shear.
this machine here. It's sheared off to the length that you want it, and then it goes through. This is like a crimper, I guess. It
Yeah.
crimps the metal, and then this is all computerized, and then it comes out the other side to the right specifications and length that you order. And right here it is. Okay, this is Turbo Metal Roofing Supply, just a few miles west of Turbotville off of Route 54. And if you need metal roofing or siding, this is the place. Alrighty. I think we did give the information. What's your phone number again?
570
Phone number is 570
336
336
9750.
9750. Turbo Roofing Supply.